This started out being a top 10 video about what are the best things about this BYD Shark. But it's now going to turn into quite a different video about one of the many pitfalls of having, and I'm going to call this an EV for at least the time being because I'm charging the electric bit of the car. So you can see that I'm in a shopping centre, and this is East Village at Zetland in Sydney's inner suburbs, and I'm here at an amp charge station. So I'm going to, you see I've got the charge port open and it says welcome. Plug in, scan or use your app, monitor charging in app, stop, okay. So I'm going to do all that. Oh. All right, that's in the car. Now, it's telling me to use my phone, which I'm going to do. Hold on. Amp, charge. I'm at East Village. I know this is 67, because it says so up there. It's outlet 2. So this is 67, outlet 2. Start. Okay, ensure the cable is plugged in, which it is. Okay, so it says it's going now. That started flashing, and this says it's connecting. You watch over here and it says you are authorized to charge, please connect. Now I am connected. There's the cable. I'll give it a jiggle. Let's see if that makes any difference. It's still flashing. Leave the cable tension. This is about my 15th go. Establishing connection, this can take some minutes. Now meanwhile, that's still saying I'm authorized to charge. Right. And now it's saying preparing to charge is cancelled. I am not happy, Jan. I don't know why this isn't working. Okay, how's this for irony? I've come down to the next level down in this shopping centre because there are some slow chargers. Now this Tesla is using this EV Link charger. I'm going to take the Tesla destination charger, which is very slow. Open that up. Open this up. Plug that in. Now I know you can see that this is doing a handshake. Now I have used this before, and there you go, that's working. So there's nothing wrong with this car's charging. I don't know why that was doing what it was doing before. Unfortunately, this is a little bit of a waste of time because in the time it's going to take me to go upstairs and have a coffee, I'm going to show you something. A full charge on my tiny battery is going to take me 2 hours and 48 minutes. Well, I'm having my coffee. And another tick on my card. While I'm here, I thought I would have a look at the issues. to see if I can work out why this isn't charging. It says to reset the charger, unlock and unlock the bit. Well, it's not that, because it wouldn't have started on the slow charging, the AC charging. Check the charger limits, that can't apply either. Remove the cable gently. Well, I tried every single stand down there and every single plug, and it didn't work. Check for 12 volt issues. If the 12 volt battery is low, it may cause charging. So, well, it can't be the 12 volt battery, or the AC wouldn't be charging either. If you're facing issues with your charging at home, well, I don't have a cable for this car, so I can't charge it at home. So this week I've been using those chargers downstairs, and they've been slow, but I want to show you, in the time it takes me to have a coffee, how little charge you get. Last time it was about 6 kilometres, so I'm at 48% now. Let's see what I am when I go back downstairs for my coffee. It's been about half an hour having a nice leisurely coffee, and while I was at it, I thought I'd check my specs, because I thought I may have it wrong. And I did. I thought the max charging rate was 11 kilowatts, but it's actually only 7. And that's a bit disappointing. Not only that, the battery is almost 30 kilowatts, so that means the best I could expect is a couple of hours, but that doesn't seem, I don't know, doesn't seem acceptable. The other thing is I haven't been able to connect to the app, which means that I can't check remotely to see what the car's doing. And even if I could, there's not a whole lot down here in the way of signal. I'm now at 59%, so that's about 11% in about half an hour. Pretty awful. All right, let's get back on the road. Put the Tesla charger back in the Okay, let's get out of here. So it's been a bit of a comedy of errors. First of all, you really can't charge using AC slow charging in the 2 hours that you've got allotted for free parking, because then the parking expenses would be far more than what it costs to use DC charging. But as I've just shown you, I can't use DC charging for some reason. It just won't work.